Hey, what's up you guys? It's Autumn. Today I'm back with another video, but first things first, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscription button. That way you don't miss out on my next uploads. If you haven't guessed already, today's video is going to be a hair review. So if you'd like to hear more about this beautiful headband wig that I'm wearing, make sure you keep on watching. Today's wig is the second wig out of the set of wigs that was sent to me from Best Hair Buy. I know that's a mouthful, but they did send me two wigs. The first one was the kinky straight wig that you guys saw on my channel a few weeks ago, and then this is the second wig. So let's go ahead and get right on into the specs. This wig is a 16-inch deep curly headband wig, and if you saw in the preview of this wig or at the beginning in my little slow-mo that I do, you can see that this wig has a beautiful length to it as well as a beautiful curl. I'm getting a little bit closer, that way you can see. Yeah, this is beautiful. Now unfortunately I don't have any footage of this hair right out of the box, but honestly the curl pattern didn't really change once I put products in it. I will link the products that I ended up using down below. I initially wanted to use a mousse on this hair because I felt like it would really give it a beautiful like style of curl, also while maintaining some hold with the hair, but I wasn't able to get any mousse and I didn't have any on hand. I actually ended up using some of my own natural hair products on this unit, and the products that I ended up using were from Chocolate Kingston Curls. If you're not new to my channel, I have talked about this brand before. They have the famous clay wash, and I love that wash. It gets all the buildup off of your hair, but this video is not about that. I used the pineapple curling milk as well as their pineapple spray, I believe. I will go ahead and link those products down in the description box. That way you can go ahead and get your hands on them if you want to use them on your natural hair or on your units like this. But it gave it the most beautiful definition. So pretty. And the unit is completely dry. It took literally no time to dry, and it doesn't have a weird smell or anything like that, so you won't have to deal with that. Let's talk about the shedding with this wig. While I was styling this wig, there were a few strands of hair that came out. I would say no more than 5 or 6. This is a curly unit though, and I always expect to get at least a little bit of shedding with curly units, just like I would my own hair. So that doesn't really deter me from recommending this wig. Now, one thing that I do wish is that the wig was a little bit fuller. This is definitely more of a natural like density, but I love big curly hair, if you couldn't tell from my videos. So one thing that I definitely wish is that, like I said, there were a few more tracks on here, but again, you know, it's good for the switch up or whatever. When you get your unit, it comes in a box just like this. I got 2 wig caps, some clips, and some bobby pins, I believe. So you get a few accessories to help you wear this wig. It does come in the normal headband wig construction with the band that goes around and the elastic strap in the back, as well as 4 combs. So there's 1 in the front, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. The only 2 that I used are the one that is at the very top and the one that's in the back. I do have my hair in a bun, but I do think I am going to start braiding my hair under these units just so that they can lay a little bit flatter, because I kind of have a little hump back here from my bun. You can't really tell because the unit is curly, but I just would like the wig to lay a little bit flatter, so I'll definitely be doing that next time. With this unit, I actually opted to just wear the black headband that comes on the wig. I know I tell you guys all the time that you can do that, so I did want to show you that in this video, just so you know. That's something that I actually do. You don't always have to put on one of the headbands. You can just literally throw this unit on and go. I definitely think that this wig is true to length. It is 16 inches, so it's not super long. Like I said, definitely a natural looking wig, natural looking density, and basically no shedding. So if you want to get your hands on this wig, I will leave the links down below. I know I took the kinky straight video down initially because the website that they were using, I don't know if somebody else like purchased their domain or what happened, but I believe it is back up and running. So I will leave all the links for this wig down below. But if you are enjoying this unit, definitely leave me a comment. That's all I have for you guys today. I know, super short video. But hopefully you'll come back and join me again. Until next time, bye.